Okay, in this video I'm going to show how to fifth boot Fedora 30 Mate or Mate with Linux Mint, Max Linux, Linux Mint and Windows 10 and MX Linux, Linux Mint, I forgot the name of that operating system. And Windows 10, it's going to be a fifth boot in UEFI. So we're just going to double click install to hard drive here. Oh, Zorin OS. Zorin OS is the fifth desktop operating system. On Fedora, there is no way to record the installation because you have to record with external camcorder or smartphone. So you select a language here, click continue. Okay, here you select, if you want to change the host name here, you click here. So I'm going to change mine to different one here. But I recommend you can leave the one that's there. You type, select here system, installation destination. We're going to select here advanced. First you select the hard drive. The first hard drive I'm using to install here. I have two hard drives. I'm going to use advanced installer. So select here advanced installer. Then you click on the top here, done. The top, on the left on the top, click done. Now the UEFI partition, what you have to do, you right click on the UEFI partition, click edit, and select a mount point. It's going to be /boot /UEFI /EFI. So it's going to be like this. Click set mount point. Now I already have the swap partition here. I'm gonna click on the free space, and I'm gonna right click. I'm gonna select new. I'm gonna use ext4, and the size I want to have around 40 gigabytes. So it's going to be 40 gigabytes, and the name is going to be, actually I'm going to put 50 gigabytes, 60 gigabytes. It's going to be the name I'm going to give to it. It's going to be Fedora Tori. Going to be Fedora, and then I'm going to use the mount point. So that's how it's going to be. 60 gigabyte ext4 Fedora with the mount point. Now I'll click OK here. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click down here. I already have the swap partition, so I don't have to create the swap partition. Then you just have to click accept changes. Now you click begin installation on the right and the bottom. Well, now we're going to create the root password. When you use a short password, you have to click on down on the top here 2 times. Click on user creation. Then now you click down the top left, and now you just have to wait until the installation is completed. It's complete. I'm gonna pause until it's finished. Installation is finished. Just have to do a quick click on quit. Now all I have to do is reboot the computer. Click shut down. Now I'm going to remove the flash drive. I'm going to boot the computer without the flash drive. And now, as you can see, I can boot to. I'm going to boot to Windows first. I'm going to boot to Windows first. So I have Fedora, Windows, MX 18.3, Zorin OS, and Linux Mint. So I'm going to boot to Windows first. Okay, as you can see, Windows is working fine. So I'm gonna restart the computer. And I'm gonna put to Fedora now. Fedora, first boot. So that's the Fedora 30 Mate. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe. See you in the next video, and have a nice day.